Ever wondered about the Pradhan Mantri Solar Yojana 2024? What it is, how it benefits us, and how we can make the most out of it? Today we dive into the depths of this ambitious initiative. The Pradhan Mantri Solar Yojana 2024, or PMSY 2024, is a groundbreaking initiative by the Indian government. Its main aim: to promote the use of solar energy. This scheme is a significant step towards a more sustainable future, where we harness the power of the sun to meet our energy needs. But how does it work exactly? Well, the PMSY 2024 is designed to incentivize the installation of solar rooftop systems on residential, institutional, social sector, and government buildings. The government provides financial assistance in the form of subsidies to those who install these systems. So why should you care about this? The benefits of PMSY 2024 are manifold. Firstly, it reduces dependence on conventional energy sources, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Secondly, it's a cost-effective solution for energy needs. By harnessing solar energy, you can significantly reduce your electricity bills. Thirdly, it contributes to energy self-sufficiency at the grassroots level, empowering individuals and communities. Now, let's talk about the budget for this initiative. The government has allocated a substantial amount towards this scheme. The exact figures may vary, but it's safe to say that the budget is in the billions of rupees. This budget is primarily used to provide subsidies to those who install solar rooftop systems and also to fund research and development in the field of solar energy. So, how can one avail the subsidy benefits of the PMSY 2024? It's relatively simple. You need to install a solar rooftop system in your premises. Then, apply for the subsidy through the official channels, providing all the necessary documentation. Once your application is approved, the subsidy amount will be directly credited to your bank account. In summary, the Pradhan Mantri Solar Yojana 2024 is a commendable initiative by the Indian government. It promotes the use of solar energy, provides financial incentives for solar rooftop installations, and contributes to energy self-sufficiency. The budget for this scheme is substantial, and availing the subsidy benefits is a straightforward process. So, if you're considering a switch to solar energy, the PMSY 2024 might just be the push you need. It's not just about saving money on electricity bills, but also about contributing to a more sustainable and self-sufficient future. So why not harness the power of the sun and be a part of this revolutionary change?